In Key West, the blue waters call to us, and while we've been here many times, this is the first time ever that we've been invited on a private boat to explore the Key West Backcountry, a remote wildlife refuge only accessible by, you guessed it, by boat.
So grab your coffee or maybe a sundowner, because as Jimmy says, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Join us and our friends for an exhilarating boat ride to the most remote destinations, miles off of Key West.
All right, Captain Mike.
We're here.
We're Paul and Sarah, also known as PS Adventures, living life to the fullest, one adventure at a time. Be sure to subscribe to our adventures. It really helps our channel grow. Good morning. Well, today we have a fun adventure.
We are going on a boat. We got invited by some friends to go on their boat off of Key West.
It's gonna be beautiful.
You know we couldn't say no to that.
Oh, and we're waking up in our secret spot in the Keys, which we wish we could tell you about. It's so beautiful, but it's a very special place to us, so we have to keep it secret.
Woo!
Key West, here we come.
It takes about 3 hours to complete the leisurely 100-mile drive through the Florida Keys. And we love it because we're surrounded by water the whole way.
We picked up our friend Mike. His boat's on the military base, so he's escorting us in.
We just got in the base.
Oh yeah, ready to get out in the water.
You can charter a boat out of Key West to do all this, but we're heading out of the base on our friend's boat. Feeling very lucky today. It's gonna be awesome.
Wow, I can already tell the water is crystal clear. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, look at that.
All right. Once you get up top.
Let's do it. You said manatee sometimes?
Different areas and different temperatures.
Oh my gosh.
Water is 72. Did, yeah.
This is the calm before we get into the big ocean. Yes, very true.
Oh, yeah,
the camping.
For the military base.
Oh man. Right on the water. I can only imagine how just wonderful that would be to camp right there. Oh, the jet ski tour. We've done a jet ski tour.
We did too.
Thankfully, we're with locals who know how to navigate the backcountry because it can get really shallow really quickly. Even though there's markers to help guide boaters, they're hard to find, and you still have to know what the markers even mean. So the risk of running aground is very real here.
Oh, that wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad.
It's a bird sanctuary, actually, out here.
Nice.
That's a wild one.
And so you'll see a lot of the pretty Florida birds.
Oh man, this is so beautiful. Sings tonight.
All right, Captain Mike.
We're here. Lead Keys.
Wow. We have arrived. It's so peaceful right here.
That way you can walk through the mangroves.
Oh, Mike's getting in.
It's kind of one of those secret hideouts that only locals in Key West and the Keys know about. And the water water is so gorgeous. I think we may actually go walk the mangroves, is what I'm hearing. That could be interesting.
Oh man, I cannot wait. This is gonna be awesome.
We're doing it. We're getting in. It's a little chilly. Think white guys.
Oh, that's cold. Apparently it's like spring water, 72 degrees.
Is that the swing? That's the swing. There is the swing that I've been following on Instagram for years. I think this might be the one. Let me try that again. Oh my gosh, that's fun. I will have a pina colada. Who's serving?
It's getting a little chilly. It's painful.
Oh my gosh, this is really cool.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful back here.
It really is. Ooh, we're coming back up. Found a sandbar.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool backyard.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty cool.
How do you not do this every weekend?
We used to. The cool thing is, there's a couple places we'll go out that way, and we were the only people for literally an hour. And it's so quiet.
That's so
It
cool.
almost hurts your ears. It's so quiet.
Man.
Wow.
It's insane.
I think I've always said I could live here, and this is why I could live here.
Oh man, it's so beautiful.
Wow.
I love it.
Oh.
Oops, didn't realize the camera was still going, but it turned out to be really good stuff. This is my paradise.
Why we moved here, yeah.
Brown, brown, run aground. White, white, you just might. Blue, blue, go on through. That's what they teach you.
Oh,
Blue,
getting
blue.
confused. That was like, if it's brown, flush it down.
Totally different.
She's actually about to do a skydive.
Really? Have you ever done that?
Nope.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's a bucket list thing. Like, if I'm going to do it, why not do it here?
Yeah, with all the water? I'm sure you don't want to get your hair wet yet.
Do not. I'm very happy just walking through.
I'll get my hair wet.
He's a fish. He's a big fish. The music is starting.
She's the captain, guiding the way.
Captain or the princess?
Oh, there you go.
This is the best spot in the house. That was a beautiful, beautiful spot. And thanks to our Key West locals for inviting us out. Have you seen how clear this is?
Whoa, do you see that?
You can read that.
Are they about to go down?
Slide! 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 Woo!
Good. Woo! 10 out of 10!
pretty shallow here. Yeah, it's shallow.
Wow, look at all these boats though.
This has to be a two-coach.
Yeah. Oh,
What do you think of the color of this water?
it's so beautiful, isn't it? It's misleading. I can't really tell how deep it is, but there's people standing in like waist deep. So.
I think the waves are coming in pretty good, so we're gonna go a little bit farther and check out something else, maybe about 8 miles away.
To see these popular Key West sandbars is absolutely amazing. You can only get here by boat, so it's just not something we've ever been able to see until now.
That's awesome. I love that like half of it are rentals though. You can tell the little cheeky head.
Yes, they do send them here.
Well, that's a big business here. You
Yeah.
know, captains, boating,
Yeah.
you know.
People come out here just for this, you
Yes.
know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we always tell somebody. If you're coming to the Keys, you need to get in the water, get out on the water, get to a sandbar.
Oh yeah.
Captain a boat, whatever, find a friend.
Yeah, find a friend.
A friend?
A friend.
The Exo bus?
Yeah, find a friend. Get out on the water because
Yeah.
it's the best place to be.
Yeah.
Best part of the U.S.
Exactly. We always said we always just find a way to get on the water. No matter what it takes when we come out here, we always do.
Right.
Here? We can keep going.
They'll do the boat ride.
Yeah, let's do the boat ride.
That way!
Yeah, let's go straight to the cruise ship. Here we go.
Whoa! Oh boy,
It's just pushing us around.
we're getting pushed.
They call this the washboard.
For real.
Yeah, for real, like you're in a washing machine. You know?
So Sunset Key is an office space. At the end of the movie, when he's drinking a drink, it's right there.
Oh really?
Yeah! This is so cool! There's apparently an abandoned house on this remote island we're passing.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
We'll go in and then spin around.
We made it!
Oh, here we go.
Party's happening.
Woo!
Yeah.
That's how it's done.
No pressure. Don't screw up.
Cheers!
Actually not bad.
Woo!
Non-alcoholic.
Thankfully it's not real deep. Woo!
Is it warm?
Warm here.
How warm is warm? 72 degrees?
Yeah, like a Florida spring.
Oh yeah, that is cold. Oh man. Whew. That is definitely a little colder than I was expecting. Yeah, but refreshing.
It looks like it's floating.
Yeah, water alone.
We're on the hunt for a queen conch. Oh, what is that? I think I caught a moment. I'm not sure what was going on over there. Blooper. All right. I gotta get in, see what I can find.
Real Floridian.
In the spring, it's still a bit too cold for us Floridians down here. It's not that bad if it weren't for the wind. If the wind would just slow down here, it would feel a lot warmer. But Paul is still out there in that water.
He's having a fantastic flipperistic time.
Queen conchs like this one are protected because they're a threatened species, so it's illegal to mess with them, and definitely illegal to take them. We're just honored to observe these snails and their cool shells in their natural habitat.
And conchs are special to the island, which is even referred to as the Conch Republic. It actually takes about 4 years for these snails to become adults, but then they actually live upwards of 15 years or more. And they love the Florida Keys for all the algae and seagrass. They use all that to actually build their own hard shells over time, unlike hermit crabs who find empty shells to live in.
What you doing over there?
I'm pulling a Sarah.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Is that peanut butter in paradise?
Peanut butter in paradise. Sounds like a song to me. They put it on though.
All right, I'll pull it to the left. Until next time, P.S. Live your best adventure. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. It really means the world to us. And thank you so much to Mike and Jen.
Very happy to have you guys.
What an adventure with the Exo bus.
He's in the Keys, baby.
Join us next time. We're going back to the one and only Bahia Honda State Park to find the most pristine, beautiful beach in all of the Florida Keys. Our friends will see you there.